Hello, hello, hello. It's April 25 today. So exactly 3 months I already transferred here. I already live here for 3 months. So this is my development of my gardening. I able to plant 140 of this eggplant, guys. So this that eggplant I planted in March 1. So slowly every week I able to plant. So by the time end of March I able to plant 140 eggplants, and at that time I have no more seedlings. So again I do some seedlings, so hoping so I can expand this eggplant. So today very early morning I'll show you slowly on my eggplant planting what I encounter, guys. And so far up to now I did not apply any pesticides on my eggplant. You see it is healthy, but I do some combination, guys, of the fertilization on this. So the first main rotting soil that when I plant this eggplant is my gardening soil I am producing, which is, so I make a hole just 6 inches, more than 6 inches deep, and the meter around in 4 inches diameter. Then I put my soil mix. So that is my first fertilization medium on this eggplant. Then I mix with conventional one. So I have complete fertilizer, I have urea, and I have potash. So these are the, but I am putting only for the plant. I don't want, since I'm still not ready for the natural one, like we call the jadam. Guys, for those who, this is really sustainability, guys. So I plant, so I need also to profit, and as much possible I will not use any herbicides and these pesticides. So I am really observing my plants here, guys. I am observing my plants daily, early morning. What are the insects that is attacking my eggplant? Eggplant really, guys, if you go for production, if you buy in the market, 100% sure those farmers are using pesticide, because we have to look for profit. But you can do profit only with using pesticides if you have also planting by by thousands because pesticides now are very expensive. That I told you last my blog. I tried that Prebaton. It was almost 1,000 pesos and I think 250 ml on that pesticides. So that is really, they are using that. They are in somewhere in Cotabato, they are using that. I see on the blog of one of the eggplant planter use that, and he have a lot of you see YouTube, you go for other videos on just search eggplant planting, you can see how they control, how they manage this plant. But now I'm still beginning, guys. Exactly 3 months from now, I planted this row in March 1. This is totally more than 20, I think 20, this is 26 plants. So now from March 1, April 25, we produce already. I will show you also how healthy. But guys, as a natural farmer, really I find difficult to apply when you are not ready. That is good only if you are ready, and you have to really, you have to calculate how much profit you should have when you are developing it. This is tiresome, guys. I have no assistant now. I do it alone. So that's why this is slowly developing, and proud and I'm happy. As of now, I have 140 of this kind grown eggplant. So last week I started to harvest. So that 55 days really after planting is really the counting. And this, so far, if you maintain the health of your eggplant, one blogger also telling by his blog that it can withstand 3 years. So we will see. Hoping these insects or whatever the problem of my plant, I cannot encounter the big one. So far, I'm still seeing, I'm observing. I have few observation now. I will show you and how to control it. But this is really really tiresome to control it naturally. And I believe also, guys, that as I've studied also, our nature is if we will not apply any pesticides, there will be we call this eco-balance of the system. So if there is 10% destructive insects, there is also 90%, and we will say that the balance of nature will not affect. There will be a balance of nature not to affect of our planting also. We will see. I will. This is documentation, guys, to those who are want to plant eggplant. Eggplant, really, I encountered this one. This is, I started this more than 3 years now, but this is staggered because I stop and then I start again. So far, this is the start of 2024. Then I have again this. See now my eggplant. That is 200 plants. Let's see and observe. Let's see, and I will show you. Guys, I will picture you now the first plant, the first eggplant I planted. So this is eggplant 1. Then go on to 200. So far, when I do the method, guys, see here, there is Y. But the bottom one, guys, when I see it is healthy also, and then more than 6 inches from the ground, so I let it grow. So we have 3 main branches here. Main branches, see it is big now. And see now, guys, I will this plant I already harvested I think 2 pieces of this eggplant here, and then these are the they still see, guys. So I am monitoring, guys. So these are some insects that attack in the night. They are after of the leaves, guys. So if you see this, guys, is still not really being infested, but you cannot control that, guys. That insects I see here, that only for the leaves. But if the leaves is full of that insects attack, this will also affect the health of this so now I have I think after 1 day I will, because Sunday I'll go to my house for my activities in the church, so I will harvest this on Saturday to prepare for Sunday. So here I have very healthy, guys. So far no attack of the fruit borer. Then on the leaves, this plant I did not see any attack of the stem borer also, but I will show you also there are some attacks in stem borer there, guys. So there, guys, no, 4 after tomorrow I can harvest also this one, guys. Can harvest this one, guys. So I will harvest 4 tomorrow. So this next, so I am harvesting, guys. So far I harvested more than 5 kilos now. So now how much I will harvest tomorrow. So this is the way we are happy, guys, when we have already some fruits of our endeavors for planting this eggplant. So still no pesticide, guys. No, see, I will say this one. I thought, guys, some fruit borer, but it is mildew, guys. The water. I will tour you, guys. So we'll see some attacks. That is attack of, I think, mites. So they will attack on the leaves. So far not still okay. And this, guys, see, yellowish because of the El Nino effect. I will see this one. So still no fruit borer. So we'll see. This is the first row, guys. So we'll see if so this, guys, also this is the patient of minerals. And this is a peak also of the very hot weather. So I still have here. We'll see if they know. Okay, good. So mineral deficient on this, guys. So let's see. This guys already this is I will cut this, guys. See, there is still some the stem borer here, so we have to cut this one, guys. Here we have to cut. Sorry. So this is the effect of the stem borer, guys. See, you can see that is a stem borer. So I already cut. So we'll see here. See, guys. Okay, I thought stem borer. No, it is effect of the hot, very hot weather. Here, guys. Still I did not actually, guys, there this is a peak of the stem borer, guys. Here you see. So this is a very big problem. I will cut. I have no assistant, guys. I will cut this one. See, cut here. So we have to cut, guys. Of course, here, see, if you see here, this is the peak of the stem borer. The fruit, I also see some peak of the fruits, fruit borer, that only some, guys. So I will fence already this, guys. So it will. So many are the hot weather, and these are mites. See, mites. If I will not able to supply proper, because this is hot weather, guys. So probably lack of water. This effect on this become yellow. So I have the garden hose. I will put some water later on this one. And here I've seen, guys. See, this is the, you can see here. This is the peak of that mites. It will attack on the night only, and some farmers are really putting. Spraying pesticides, so to control this one, guys. But we'll see the ecosystem will balance. So far, guys, this one, guys. So this is the peak of the stem borer. So I will cut here. So leaving that one to survive, and there is some already the borer inside. So we will fence. Actually, I am doing this pin plantation, guys. So happy farming, guys. Sayang yun ni, guys. Kita na muna na ang epekto sa fruit borer, guys. Nalayang kwan. So ako na ato ning kuhaon, guys. Kuha na ko, guys. Sayang. Aduna na siya fruit borer. Muna epekto, guys. sa fruit borer. Sayang kayo nino. After 4 days siguro ma-harvest na ko ni. A week. Tungkol sa fruit borer mo ni siya. Wa pa may yung daghang kayo ni guys. Guys, nagimo na lang ko protection ani guys sa atong talong. So kung musagad na ni siya, ako na ning i-remove. At least the initial stage of the fruit borer ato yun na sa gagmay pa nga mo atake. Kung may nana na guys, di na siya mo atake guys. Ang fruit borer. Diri po daw. Ini-ipik ni sa fruit borer. Ipik po ni sa fruit borer guys. Siguro makasurvive ang kuan ani dunay mga insekto po nga may another insect kuan sa kaning ako na lang gikuha guys kay di naman gyud mo dako. Mao ni ako nakuha guys nga aduna na gyud fruit borer. Sayang. So ako lang gipanguha kay wala yun siya guys, mudaghan ni siya og di sa natukaon. Kay ang ulod ana guys mo kana guys mo mudako. So gikuha na ko guys. So kailangan na kabuk. Murag pulo ka inani kagong magagmay pa ako na panggipang labay. So muna na ang epekto aning fruit borer. Wala fruit borer na. Fruit borer. Nanay ulod na slalom guys. So kuha na ko. I've shown you already guys what happened. We have to observe guys, lack of water. Hoping I can see the peak of fruit borer guys, because I already removed this one guys, because this is end of my garden and I have to clean again this one. So many insects here. So we'll see how I can develop that way guys. So we will also plant. But this is the early raised bed I'm using for my melon before. So this one, we'll see if there is an attack of the borer, fruit borer. No, I can harvest that tomorrow guys. So still stem borer guys, I have. These are stem borer. So it's already guys, it's a glimpse about this activities guys. So again, I have another flat. My seedling are ready, so I can plant again there. I can plant again. So I make it ready guys for my next. So continue from 140 plus another. So hoping I can reach 1,000 of this plant, and that is profitable, 1,000 of this real plant. So thank you guys for watching this update. Today is April 25. More than more than 2 months now for my eggplant. Almost 2 months now for my this is March 1, the first one. March 1, then April 25. So 55 days really after planting. I got already that big eggplant. So thank you guys. So hopefully you will help me. Now I got 883 subscriber guys. So it is nearly 1,000 that I can monetize. I will be monetized by YouTube, and it will be helpful, guys. So once I will change the way I'm doing my video. This is for the beginners, and hopefully I can show you a naturally grown eggplant later on. Now this is still a mix with conventional because of the fertilizer I'm using complete to sustain the mineral of the plant, complete urea and potash, guys. It is necessary for eggplant because of the fruits. We need a very nice fruits. So if your soil is deficient of this potash, then you can see your plant will not, the eggplant, the fruits will not grow big. So that's all, guys. And hopefully you appreciate. Please like, check the like button if you are already a subscriber. It will help, guys. Your comments, whatever I can answer, I will answer you. Whatever I'm learning also, guys. You can teach me also what to do. So very happy early morning, April 25, my 3 months of staying on this farm. My cottage is there. And guys, my dako kog alkansi field na sa Baguio, guys. But life must go on. Let's survive on farming. Let's prove farming is profitable.